Hello everyone, welcome to all in this channel. I am your Snehal. Today we are going to do Space Shuttle. I think you'll definitely enjoy this one. Let us start. Click on Create Code Blocks. Now take New Design. Now we need to go to Modify and create New Object. And in that rename the variable as the body. We are going to do the body of the space shuttle at first. Now go to shapes and take the second one, the cylinder, and keep the color which you like. And take the radius as 5 and take height as 60. Take the sides as 64 because to keep the cylinder as the round. And take edges as 4 and edge steps as the 1. Now see the output. Now go to modify and take the round rotate around. And in there you keep axis X and 90 degrees and go to mass and bring this one, fourth one. Go to modify and bring move. And in this at Y axis keep 30 and Z axis 5 to change the place of it. Now go to shapes and take the half sphere and keep the color which you wish. And now go to modify and rotate around. Take that one and duplicate this one and keep in this. Again, go to modify and take the scale and Z axis as 0.5, Y axis as 2.5 and Z axis as 0.5. Y axis and Z axis as 0.5, Y axis, X axis and Z axis as 0.5 and Y axis as 2.5. Now go to move and Y axis as minus 12.5 and Z axis as 5. Now again go to shapes and bring the half sphere. Now go to modify and bring scale and keep Z axis as 0.8 and X axis as 0.4. Don't forget to keep point. You should compulsorily keep point. And up till now what we did, let us check the output. Now go to modify and bring move. In that move, you keep Y axis as 15 and Z axis as 10. Now the body part is completed successfully. Now it is time to create the engine. Now go to modify and bring the first one, write the variable as engine. Now click on OK. Now go to shapes and bring cone, the fifth one, and give the color as you wish. Now give the top radius as 3 and the bottom radius as 5. Now the height as 10 and the side as 64. I said before only, we give this 64 because to come as a round. Now we have created this one. Now we need to rotate and move. Then it will be in the modify. First take the rotate. Second take the move. And in rotate we need to move x-axis 90 degrees and bring this one as duplicate. And we need to move y-axis as 65 and z-axis as 5. Now we bought one cone and now it's time to bring second cone. Again, after, before doing this we need to take, move, rotate as usual. Now we will check the top radius and bottom radius. Let us write. Now top radius as 2, bottom radius as 4, height as 10, this is as usual 64. Duplicate this one and this one should move at the same height and same y-axis and same z-axis too. Now let us see the output. See our engine. Now we should create the group. For creating group, we should go to modify and the last one. Can you see it's the last one of the modify and create the group. And if you see like this, it is the same. But let us change a single thing to this one as a whole. Let us check now. See, now it is nice. Like than before it is nice, I think now. See, now engine part is also completed successfully. Now wings. Now go to shape. Now go to modify and bring the first one and create the variable as wings. Now go to shapes and bring the roof. It should be as 20 only the length. And this one you can use any color. The color is your wish. Now go to modify and bring rotate and move. If you bring rotate, we need to bring this one. And we need to move this one y-axis. We need to move this one y-axis as 16, z-axis as 6. And don't forget to scale also. Y x-axis as 5, y-axis as 3, z-axis as 0.05. Now we have successfully completed the wings too. Now it's time to do tail. Now create a new object. Rename it. Now we will name it as the tail. Now go to shapes, bring roof. Now bring rotate, scale and move. You can duplicate also the upper one. You can change this color if you want. And this one x-axis as 2, y-axis as 1 and z-axis as 0.05 only. And x-axis as 0, y-axis as 55, z-axis as 9. Now go to shapes and scroll a bit and bring this one. So width and same. You should bring this 3. Duplicate and bring. Now this one you need to change the axis to Z and change this also to 180 and scale this one to x-axis as 0.05 and y-axis as 0.5. Now z-axis as 0.5 and move to z-axis as 0, y-axis as 55, again z-axis as 15. Now let us check the output and it has completed. See how nice it is. I think it's ready to launch. Our space shuttle is completed. Now we will name it Space Shuttle. I think did you all enjoy? You definitely will enjoy because it's too nice.